What? Crescent Cast USA doesn't scoop anymore? No, we don't. And the reason is because everything that gets put into the hopper can get damaged. If we are putting crystals in that have the drusies, the polishing beads can get stuck in those drusies, and we've read comments about you having to pull the beads out with your tweezers. So what do we do if we're not scooping? I use custom-built trays. It works like this. We have different sizes, 1.5 kg, 2.5 kg, 3.5 kg, 4.5 kg, and higher. And don't forget, it's kg, double that for pounds. I have all of this inventory over here, and whatever pokes my attention or catches my eye for you, I choose those crystals. I make sure they go all the way up to the weight that you choose. We put them together and we ship them off to you. After I show them to you, of course.